Stop right now and just add this to your cart. You need a little bit more convincing? This H Versaltex home office chair cover stretchable material fits mid, high back, executive boss chair styles, covering gaming chairs, non-slip, thick material. This is a stretch knitted fabric with plenty of stretch. It gives a great fit for this universal design chair cover. Check out the measurements to see if it fits your chair. Now my chair is on the upper range of the measurements, and I still was able to get it fit, even though it was slightly snug, but its material has enough stretch to cover the job. Now my fake leather was peeling, flaking, and it was about to head south pretty fast, but yet the cushion is still good, the chair's in good shape. It'd be a shame to toss it just because of the covering material was failing. So instead of spending $300 or plus and having to throw this in the dump, I went looking for a cheaper alternative. With this chair cover, I saved this chair, and I'm actually very pleased with it. It gives it a nice, smooth material texture, which in my case, the fake texture was kind of cold and slippery, and this gives it more of a lazy boy sofa type feel rather than a cold office chair. And I like the fact that it came with a matching set of arm covers that again has a universal fit because of the stretch, and they give a very generous length and material. The arm covers is what sealed the deal for me to get this kit, because not only are you getting an adequate chair cover, you're getting matching and very generous size arm covers. Now this material is wrinkle free, machine washable for easy care maintenance. You gotta do it in cold water on the gentle cycle, do not use bleach. It comes in a variety of colors to match any room decor. And boy, if this wears out, just buy another one and you still saving your chair. As long as your chair is in good condition, don't let failing aesthetics have you toss it in the dump. Revive, extend the life of your chair, and save a bunch of money by picking up one of these slip covers.